So I started making this layout and I thought, why not show you guys? I'm halfway done already, but I thought the colors of this, the wrapper from a little hummingbird feeder that I bought, you can see it right there, looked perfect on this page. The colors go perfectly. And then on this side, I took my grandson to McDonald's again, and he got this toy from the Happy Meal. And I thought on this side I would glue this here. This was like a cube, and I cut off all the other sides. So I'm going to use this as a pocket, and then I'm going to cover this with something. This is part of the box too. And I'm going to put his picture. I have 2 pictures of him from that day, and I'm going to put a picture on each side. This, I'm going to just cover the back of it. He bought a Spider-Man mask at Five Below, and it's so funny because it was buried underneath all these Mario masks. And he said, Spider-Man. And I said, no, that's Mario. He goes, no, Spider-Man's there. It was all the way in the back. I never even saw it, but he spotted the Spider-Man mask. So I got him the Spider-Man mask, but he's going to leave it at our house because he has about a trillion of them at his house. So that's going to be my journaling card. So I'm going to cover these up, and I'll be back. But first, maybe we'll go ahead and, I need to get some more Fabri-Tac. I'm going to make this a pocket. Make sure I'm doing the right side. Okay. So I wonder what adventures we're going to have this week, but I don't really want to take him to McDonald's every week. I don't think that would be healthy. Maybe we could have a healthy picnic in the park or something like that. I always have his parents' permission of what I can do with him, so there we go. Now we'll find some paper that maybe matches with this to cover this with, and this is just going to get, plain paper on it to write on. Alright, so I covered this side with this paper and forgot to show that I was doing it. And now we're going to cover the other side with a different paper, and I think it's going to be really cute. This top part kind of, could act as a tab up there. So I'm going to put it right on top of this one. And cut that out. I see a little bit of yellow on the edge. I guess that's okay. I could trim it too, actually. But let's go ahead and get that stuck down. I don't know why I keep getting all these stupid messages just because I'm filming, probably. Alright, so that's the part of the box as my picture. Yeah, I'm just going to put like a picture here and the other picture here. So that'll be cute. In this picture, I asked him if he wanted to play dominoes, and he said yeah. And then he started turning them all over and said he was making teeth. He didn't want to match them up. He just wanted to make teeth. This kid is obsessed with skeletons, and teeth are part of your skeleton, right? Alright, I am going to put that in there. Now I have to cover this up with something, and I'm thinking like maybe some lined paper, but I don't know if it's going to show through. Maybe not. It's pretty thick. No, I think it's going to be great. It's not showing through. So I do have pink. I wonder if pink would kind of match better with this, though. This is a sticky note one. And I also have this, like, that doesn't really match. What's this one? That would be okay. It's purpley-ish. But let's see how the pink looks. Actually, this looks better. I thought this was the same. It's different. It's a different shade. Same print, different shade. Let's go with this color. It's like a purpley pink. I think we're going to do that. And I am going to just try to put it on with a glue stick. Hopefully that will work. I just need a gluing paper, which I just had. Alright, get this out of the way. Glue, glue. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. We had a beautiful weather yesterday, and our dog had to get a rabies shot. And then after that, we took him to the park, and he just had a blast running around there. He loves this one park where we can just let him go. So, I made the mistake of mentioning in front of Bethany when she was here that Dobby needed to get the rabies shot. And she said, no, no, please don't take him. That will hurt him. I felt so bad. And I tried to explain that it would only pinch for a minute, but it would help him not get sick. And she just couldn't handle that. So this is not sticking there. So I told her I wouldn't do it. Because there was no consoling her or trying to make her understand why we were doing it. So I will know not to do that again. She remembers what it was like to get a shot, I guess. Although shots never bothered her. She loves getting her blood drawn, so I was surprised that she was worried about the dog. But that's nice that she was worried about her dog. Okay. So, and she always asks me, where does Dobby live? And I said, with me and Dad. And she goes, you will take care of him for me. And it's kind of sad, but cute too. All right, so that's going to go in with this too, because that's the same day. And I will put the pictures on. I will cover his face though, and show you the finished product. All right, so this is a half page. I don't know if you realized it, but I have my little pictures of my grandson. He found an old pile of leaves in the backyard that we never got rid of, so he was having a blast in that. And then I put the paper on the back of this, and I'll be writing on that. And that's it for this spread. It's a cute, short little spread. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.